All right, it's time for a crash course on what it looks like when a line has an invisible y-intercept and an invisible slope. What the heck does that mean? All right, let's do this. So first thing you should notice is there's nothing here, right? There's nothing in front of that x except this minus sign. What is this number? Well, we know from the last video, the number here is a 1. So this slope is actually a -1. M equals -1. And remember, we always put it into a fraction, -1/1. Okay, so now we know what the slope is. So the slope is our directions. It tells us where we're going, how to get from one point to the next. So how do we get from one point to the next? Well, the top number I'm going to use with my negative. So that tells me down 1. Remember, you only use the negative with one of the numbers, either the numerator or the denominator. So if I'm using it with the numerator, then the denominator is positive. That means write 1. Okay, the more you try these, the better you're going to get at them. But wait, what's going on here? I don't see anything. We have an invisible y-intercept. Well, what's the only thing that you can add to something and have it not change? That thing is adding a 0. So what does that mean about our y-intercept? That means that our y-intercept is 0. Our b equals 0. What does that mean? It means we're starting at the origin. So anything that that has an invisible y-intercept, okay? If it has an invisible y-intercept, that means that it is at the origin, okay? So now that I know it's at the origin, I'm going to follow my directions. It says down 1, right 1, make a point, down 1, right 1, make a point, and so on. I don't even need guidelines for that one, and I don't even need to think about it. Clearly, these points are over here because I'd go up 1, left 1, putting the negative in the denominator, which means left instead of right. But either way, find all those and connect them with your nice line, okay? Put your arrows on the end, and we're almost done here. Okay, arrows on the end. And the last step, we want to make sure that we label this line. This is the line y equals -x, and it's a very special and important line that you're going to see often in 8th grade math and also in 9th grade math. All right, so good luck with these, and I'll see you in the next lesson.